I'm not only saving environment, but educating society to save environment. My name is Kirti Lakhanpal, and people call me a green hero. Electronic devices which are not in use because of advancing technology or changes in fashion result as e-waste. Because of a wrong disposal of such e-waste, every day harmful materials are released into environment. The metals like lead, copper, chromium and cadmium are part of such e-waste. This is also responsible for causing cancer, asthma and other deadly diseases. When I got to know this through CEE, I decided to aware people about harmful effects of their irresponsible ways of disposing e-waste. Unfortunately, there is no such unit in Ahmedabad that recycles e-waste. So, we take help of SEBA to send such e-waste to recycling units outside.
The process was initially everyone was wondering what is this e-waste and how we are going to go about it. And when the children understood what were the problems, they started with, okay, we'll go to the classes, and Kirti along with her team of students went to each class.
Actually previously with the e-waste we are selling only, but after that awareness of the we can give it to the e-waste properly in proper place.
We all supported this e-waste recycling movement, and the students took it forward. They went to the neighboring shops, houses, they performed Nukkad Nataks, they even participated in the Happy Streets program. They all collectively convinced around 84 kabadiwalas to send their e-waste for recycling.
So the students is seen when we call our parents for our open house and MD presentation. At that time the parents say, my child said, Papa, the mobile is working, don't buy a new one, we'll create e-waste. That's when the difference has started.
I request everyone to use environment-friendly and energy-efficient devices so that we can pass pollution-free environment, a better future to our next generation.
I'm really grateful to my school management, all the staff members, my administrative department and everyone in the school, even all the children. Because they helped me to continue with this work. They motivated me, encouraged me. I'm even thankful to CEE who gave me that insight for continuing.
Reduce your e-waste. Reuse e-waste. Refuse for e-waste.
Recycle your e-waste.
Recycle your e-waste.
Recycle your e-waste.
Be responsible, and we want people to be responsible.
Let's become responsible. Let's recycle e-waste. The best way to predict your future is to create one. And through my work, I'm just trying that.